Hello students, welcome to Price YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is direction. So in this video we are going to see the model questions which are available in our Navneet Digest. So this is our Navneet Digest. So if you don't have this Navneet Digest, please purchase this one as per this cover mention. Okay, so this is 2021 edition. Now there is a question number one is there in a model question. So question number one, while observing the pole star. Now we will solve here question number one. Pole star means that is a, we can say the north star always be look in a night, okay, or we can say dhruva tara, okay. While observing the pole star means always be in a north side, okay, a north direction, okay. So this is a our by default these directions. Now Akash turned to his left. Now if he is observing that pole star means his face is to the north, okay. Now he is turned to his left through the right angle. Through the right angle means now he is facing to the west, okay. After turning the right angle means like this one always be north, west, east, okay, or in always be in 90 degree to each others, okay. Then again he turn to his right. Now he's turning to the right. If he facing to the west means his right is here, his left is here. If he facing north means his right is here and left is here. First he has take the left turn by the right angle, okay, means he's facing now west. After this one he has turned right through the right angle. Now he has turned the right, okay, so to the right, okay, right angles, but that is the three times means one time right angle, then two time right angle, and this is a three time right angle means now he is facing to the south. Now which direction does he face now? That is the south, and south is given in option number 4. So for question number 1, option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 2, Manorama travel from her home to the garden. Okay, so question number 2, suppose this is a house of the Manorama. He traveled from her home to the garden. Her journey is shown in a adjoining figure. So his journey in here. So now so then home. Okay, H. Now in this one, her journey from home to the garden. Here the garden, G for the garden. Now her journey is shown in the adjoining figure. How many times does the south direction occur behind Manorama? Behind means she is facing the north. Now by defaultly this is the north, okay. Now west and the east. Now from the home, once he's outside, she is facing the north means backside south. This is a one time. Then again here two time, okay. Now here turning and again this is a third time, okay. Means we can say this is 1, 2 and 3, and again the 4. So there are the fourth times she is having the south directions behind Manorama, okay. So 4 times means option number 3 is the correct. Now, question number 3. While observing the direction perpendicular to the northeast and the southwest, which directions occur at the backside? So, suppose here north, okay, so this is south, this is east, and this is a west. Now, observing the direction perpendicular to the northeast. Now, northeast here, NE, okay, and here the southwest, here the southeast, and here the northwest. Now perpendicular to the northeast and southwest. Now southwest, northeast and the southwest perpendicular to the northwest or southeast, okay. So this is the perpendicular to the this one means northwest or southeast, and that is given in option number 4. Then question number 4, Jacqueline. Now question number 4 we will solve here. Question number 4. Now Jacqueline walked 15 meter towards south. So suppose he's starting his this one and 15 meters south, okay. So this is 15 meters towards the south. Then she walked 6.5 meter toward west. Now we will first draw the north, then east, then west and the south, okay. So from this one she is walk to the south, means this one. Now after 15 meter comes here, then 6.5 meter to the west, means this directions, means this one. 6.5 meter now comes this one. Then she walk 4.5 meter to the north, means this direction. So 4.5 meter. Then comes here. Finally, she walks 6.5 meter to the east, means to the east, means this one 6.5. Now this is equals to this one. This is also 6.5 and this is also 6.5. So now she is coming to this one. How far she from the initial place? So this is the initial place, okay, from this one. Now this is a completely 15 meter and this 4.5. All are the in 90-degree turning because the direction wise she is turning. So means this 45 meter, means this is also the 45 meter, means from the 15 if we subtract 4.5 meter, we are getting the distance from this initial position to the now latest position. So in this one if you subtract this one, so 15 minus 4.5, that is the 11.5. So that 11.5 given in option number 3. Now question number 5. So we will solve here question number 5. Q is standing to the southeast of P. So Q is here. Now directions we will mark here: north, then east, west and the south. Now Q is standing to the southeast. Southeast in this direction means of the P. So means P is somewhere here. Okay. South means this direction, means this one. And R is standing to the southwest of Q. South and west of the Q means in this direction of Q. Okay, means from this one. Okay, southwest direction. Here suppose the R. The distance between Q and P is same. Distance between Q and P is the same as that of the distance between R and the Q. So means this distance and this distance is the same. Means there are the, suppose these directions and this direction, means this is the same here. Means this one is in 90-degree because here also the 90-degree, means this one. Okay, like this one and this one. This PQ is in this direction and this one is in this direction, means this is a 90-degree. Okay, this is 90-degree and these are the in equal. So now in which direction R is P standing? R is P standing in which direction? So this is the direction. So now this is in the north direction, means R's north direction is a P. Okay, because this is the north directions to the upside. Okay, so north means option number 1 is the correct one. So for question number 5, option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 6. At 3 o'clock, the hour hand shows the northeast direction in a mirror. Okay, so watch. Actually, 3 o'clock means the direction is here and this is here. This is minute hand, this is hour hand. So this is 3 and this is 12. But in mirror, so suppose this is a mirror, and in mirror, how this is look like? So this will be a look like this one. Okay, but actually the in mirror how it looks like the this hand. Now this is a hour hand and this is minute hand. Okay, H is for the hour hand and this is minute hand. Now this hour hand is in the northeast direction, so this is north and this is the east direction. So in these directions means how much this angle is made, the same is turning same directions. Now this is in these directions, means clockwise, same from this one. That one minute hand will also be shown, means 90-degree to this one, means somewhat be like this one. Okay, means this angle is equals to the this angle. Okay, because this is turning, but in mirror that's supposed to be shown here, but actually that's shown here. Okay, so means this minute hand also will look like the same angle. So now that is in southeast direction, and asking about which direction, so that is south east direction. So southeast is given in option number 2. So for question number 6, option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 7. So question number 7. While going to the north, the sun appears to Suraj right hand. So he's going to the north. The sun appear to Suraj right hand. Yes, correct. Suraj is facing to this direction, means his right is here and left is here, and the sun is appearing to the this one, means the direction. This is the east, this is the north, means this is the morning. So what period of the day it is? Now sun is in the east, means that is a morning. So that's why option number 4, morning, is a correct one for question number 7. Then question number 8, while going jogging in the morning. So question number 8 we will solve here. Question number 8, while going in the jogging in the morning, Sujay faces the southwest direction. So now this is the north, east, and west, and the south. Okay. Suraj Sujay faces the south direction. Now he is facing to the south directions. Vijay is facing where Sujay's left side is facing. Now, if he is facing his one, means his right hand here and the left hand is here. Okay, means these directions. And Vijay is facing where Sujay's left side is faces. So his left side is faces this one, means Vijay's face is also this one, and this is the east direction. Which directions appear to Vijay's left side? Now Vijay's left side means, now here facing means the right here and the left here. Now left side is the north direction. So Vijay's left side is the north direction. So north is given in option number 3. So for question number 8, option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 9, while facing the south direction, so we will first mark out our north, south, east, and the west. Now while facing the south directions, Neeraj turned 35 times to the east through right angle. 35 times. Okay, which direction will he face finally? Now from the south right angle, so as we know, this is a one time, this is two time, this is three time, and this is a four time. Means after the four time again the same south directions. Okay, but he is turning 35 times. Means suppose if we are divided this 35 divided by the 4, means that is a 4 8s are 32 is there. Okay, means after the 32 there is the 3, then 35 comes, means 3 times is a remaining. Means from this south directions, if we take one this 1 2 and this 3, means he will face the west directions. Okay, so means he will face the west direction. Then which direction he will face finally? So finally he will face the west direction, and west is given in option number 2. So for question number 9, option number 2 is mentioned. In our Navneet digest, if you see, the east direction is mentioning the correct one, but whether he is turning to the right side, that is not mentioned, but mention is that to the east through. So this is east, to the east he is turning. Okay, so means from the anti-clockwise direction he is turning, so that is the meaning. And from this one the 3 turns, means this is the first, second, and the third. So now after this one he will face the west direction. That is our answer. So possibly that is a different way, so might be east direction will be common, but our answer is the west direction is the correct one. Then question number 10. Then question number 10 is here. Ruxana walks a distance of 19 kilometer toward west. So suppose his original place here. Now this is a north, east, west, and the south. 19 kilometer toward west means these directions, means from this one 19 kilometer is this one. So this is a 19 kilometer. So toward the west. Then she turn and walk 13.5 kilometer to the north, to the south, sorry, to the south, means this direction. So this is a another one 13.5 kilometer. Then she walks toward the east 7.5 kilometers. So toward the east means this one 7.5 kilometer. And then she walked 13.5 kilometer to the north. To the north means this direction, means this one, which is the same equal distance 13.5 kilometer. Means her previous one path he will touch on this one. Means from the initial position, how far is she from the original position? Means this original position is here. From this one we have to calculate. As we know, this 7.5 kilometer is parallel to this direction, means this is also the 7.5 kilometer. This 13.5 kilometer and this 13.5 kilometer also in parallel, because all the directions are in 90 degree, or we can say right angle. So this 13.5 kilometer is from the this directions, means second positions. So from this one total is a 19 minus this 37.5. So if we subtract this one, so we will get the 11.5 kilometer from the original. Okay, so 11.5 kilometer is given in option number 3. So for question number 10, option number 3 is the correct one. Thank you.